Hello everyone, it's me, Mrs. Gronert, and today we are going to be doing a simple and fun science experiment called Gummy Bear Science Experiment number 1. What are we doing today? Well, today we're going to find out what will happen to a gummy bear after it sits in water for 24 hours. Let's take a look at what we need to complete this activity. To complete the activity, you're going to need a clear cup. You'll need a measuring cup with water. You need 2 gummy bears, a ruler, a scale or balance, and the data recording sheet. You can find a link to the data recording sheet in the description of the video. Now, before we do anything else, before we even start the experiment, we need to make a hypothesis. A hypothesis is a guess about what we think might happen to the gummy bear. We're going to write our hypothesis onto the data recording sheet. What do we think will happen to the gummy bear after it sits in water for 24 hours? Draw a picture in the box and write what you think will happen. If you need to, you can pause the video here to complete that section of the data recording sheet. Now, what are we going to do? The first thing we're going to do is fill our clear cup with 1/2 cup of water. Then we'll place 1 gummy bear into the cup of water. We'll save the other gummy bear to compare our results. And then we just wait 24 hours. Okay, I'm going to show you how to complete this part of the experiment. So I have my clear cup for the water, and I have my measuring cup where I filled it to 1/2 cup. So I'm going to take my measuring cup with 1/2 cup of water, and I'm going to put it right into my clear cup. There we go. Have 1/2 cup of water in my clear cup. Now I get to take my gummy bears. I need to make sure I have 2. And I actually really like using gummy bears that are the same color. So I'm going to use 2 red gummy bears. Look at those. So one of the gummy bears I need to set off to the side to save for later. The other one I'm going to put inside of the cup. Remember, save 1 gummy bear, place the other one in the cup. Here we go. Okay, little gummy bear, I wonder what's gonna happen to you when you stay in the water. There he is. Now, I just wait 24 hours. That's pretty easy. Oh, these gummy bears smell good too. Let's take a look at what we do next. The next part of this activity is after you've waited 24 hours. So what are you going to do? Well, you're going to take the gummy bear from the water and take it out of the water. You might want to have a paper towel or something else down on a table to set it on, because we're not quite sure what it's going to be like. Then your job will be to compare the 2 gummy bears. Compare the gummy bear that stayed out of the water with the one that was in the cup of water for 24 hours. Use your ruler to measure the size of the gummy bears. Write down the results. Use your scale to weigh the gummy bears. Write down those results. And then think, what did happen to the gummy bear in the water? Why do you think that happened? How are the 2 gummy bears different now? And how are they the same? I hope you have a lot of fun figuring out what happens to the gummy bear when it goes in the water. Thanks for learning with me today, and I sure hope to see you again very soon.